How to make money online $200 per day. How would you react if I say that you will be able to earn a minimum of $200 a day online? Your immediate reaction would be something like this. Are you out of your mind? In fact, there are ways by which you can earn money online. With a little bit of hard work and perseverance, you can touch the magical figure of $200 per day. It is definitely not beyond the reach of a dedicated individual. Let us look at some ways by which you can achieve this objective. Have you heard the word affiliate marketing? You must have, because this has become a very common method of earning money online today. What is affiliate marketing and what do you do in this type of marketing? This is a type of a performance-based marketing rewarding its customers for referring other prospective customers to its fold. This is how the system works. This method of marketing is an overlapping of various types of internet marketing methods. There are 4 players in this kind of industry. The first category is the merchant or the retailer. The second category is the network through which the affiliates work. This takes care of the payment aspects too. The affiliate is the third link of the chain. He is the one who publishes the advertisements and brings in the customers. The customer forms the final link to the chain. The affiliates use a variety of methods to market the produce. This is also a type of referral marketing. However, there is a major difference between the two. Affiliate marketing focuses on the financial aspects and motivations. Referral marketing uses the trust and personal relationships as a base to improve the sales. The affiliate marketer uses all the internet marketing methods to some degree, such as email marketing, search engine marketing, pay-per-click advertising methods, and even display marketing techniques too. He also relies on product reviews by customers or professional bloggers on the internet. What are the advantages of affiliate marketing? We shall look at 3 simple advantages. Cost-effective for the merchant because he saves on advertising costs, thereby passing on the benefits to the final user. The affiliate marketer eliminates the entire middle chain and links the customer directly to the merchant. He derives a decent commission out of the sales proceeds. The customer can get his product at a much lower price than the retail market cost. Hence, you can see that affiliate marketing provides a great opportunity for the individual to earn extra money online. You have to do the hard work in the initial stages. However, after you set up the chain beautifully, making $200 a day would be very easy. You can have a great team working for you. This is one of the time-tested methods of earning money online. There are other methods whereby you can earn handsomely, but affiliate marketing ensures a steady stream of income once you are able to establish the chain properly. Of course, you need to maintain excellent rapport with the people in the chain below you. To learn affiliate marketing, check below in description. We provides you the best step-by-step guide to become a super affiliate. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.